Good morning, guys. Well, it's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock in the morning. Woke up. It's on a Sunday. And, oh my God, guys. This weather is horrible, man. Like, rain, wind, rain, wind. What do you do? Everything's clean at home. Our house is clean. So I laid there and I thought about it. And I said, you know what? Even if we don't catch any fish today, we're going to go somewhere local because of the weather, but I'm going to still try and do some fly fishing. Maybe do some nymphing, maybe throw some woolly bugs, depending on the weather, how fast the water's going. But I'm going to take you guys with me up to the Glen, and I know you've seen me fish up there many a times. But, so let's see what happens. Let's go up there. Got nothing better to do. See if we can't catch some trout. And I will see you guys on the water. Alright, guys. We're here. It looks like the rain's slowing down a little bit. Hopefully you guys can see me the way I got this camera set up. What we pulled in, and there's actually no, like the rain's slowing down, and we're getting a little bit of sunshine. So maybe that'll benefit us, which I'm sure it would. So anyway, we have this pavilion right here that we can stay under and keep dry. So I'm going to get my rain gear on and get tightened up, and we're going to hit the water and see what happens. I'm actually watching down there along the bank over there. I see some trout surfacing every now and then. So let me get my gear so we can get going. Alright guys, so finally got dressed up and geared up and ready to go if the rain comes again. Planning on staying out here for a little while. There's some of the pocket water we're going to be fishing. I wasn't really sure what to start out with. So I'm going to do one of those blindfold days. I'm going to start out with a lively leg prince, if you can see that right there. And then down from there I'm going to have a little caddis larva with a hot spot. See what happens. So let's see if we can't get into a couple trout today, guys. And I ain't worried about sizing today. How's that sound? No sizing. I don't care if it's all smaller ones. I just wanted to get out of the house. So, see if we can catch a couple. Well, guys, I turned the camera on because I actually had one on. It was probably like maybe 9 inches, 10 inches. And it got off. Oh, there we had another hit right there in that faster ripple. Seems like they're taking on a swing right here. Must be a couple laying in there. There we just had one come up. I don't know if you guys seen that. Oh, there he is. There we go. I don't know what he took. Maybe it looks like it took the little caddis pupa I put on. Or caddis larva, I'm sorry guys. Yep, that's what it took. Beautiful little brookie. Nice little small brook. This water's so freaking cold up here, guys. Well, let's see if there's any more laying right here. Just kind of going to fish some of these pockets down through here. It's not really deep. Oh, just missed another one. Oh, there we go, guys. This one here took it like a mad dog. That was pretty cool. Once again, I must say, blessed. Thank the Lord. When you get days like this, man, it don't always have to. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna start using my freaking net. This one took that caddis. Again, the caddis larva. Yes, it did. Another brookie. We'll take it. So maybe I did pick a lucky fly. Let it drift down through that little run right there. Oh, guys, that was a better one. I wouldn't say it was a monster, but that was pretty nice. I don't know how they're getting off. I think there has to be some more land down through here. There we go. Guys, we got another one. Nicer one, guys. He's a really nice one. I'll get my hand wet here. Really pretty brook. Ah, there you go, guys. I touched him. It counts. All right, guys. We came downstream just a little bit. A tiny bit. Haven't had any hits. Then we just caught this guy right over there at the pocket right there. A little deep pocket. A really small brook, but man, he took that same fly. Here you can see, look how tiny he is. Tiny, but very pretty. All right. Guys, I have to watch because it's starting to rain and I forgot to bring my waterproof backing to this GoPro. All right. Guys, we're finally way downstream. I didn't do any casting here yet. If you guys watched some of my other videos, you'll know that this is normally one of my favorite spots where I can come pick a couple trout up here and there. I've also lost a couple in here. But we'll see. We'll see if there's some in here. It's one of my favorite hiding spots. So let's see what happens. Guys, I figured I might want to turn the camera on because I did just lose one over here. He was laying right over there at that corner by that, right there, right just through by that rock. Oh, there was another one. Might be a couple in here yet. There we go. Small one, guys, but we got them. Another small, there you go. I don't know if you guys can see that little hot spot caddis. Another brookie. We'll take it. Thank you, Lord. It's hard for me to nymph this like the prop. Oh, there we go, guys. We got another small one. Man, they're taking that caddis thing like crazy. It's hard for me to nymph this underneath this bridge. And oh, guys, we just lost that one. Oh well, it happens. There must be a couple laying right here in this pocket. Another small one, guys. You know what it means when you catch small trout like this consistent? It's going to be better for next year as long as people don't come in here and take these little small ones, which I think is kind of stupid if they do. Same nymph, guys. Wow. Why change it if it's going to keep working? Just missed another one. Man, there must be a stack of them over there. Yeah, they're really, now they're not hitting it really aggressively. Another one. Wow, this is crazy. It's like a little jackpot. Oh my goodness, he got off. That one got off. Wow. There we go. This one got a little bit bigger. Maybe just drove one home. Alright guys, that one's a little bit better looking size wise. Still ain't a monster, but that one took the prints. In my hand. Holy crap guys, we're really getting into them today. Alright, where'd my net go? Nice, I got this one in the net because just as we got him in the net, he spit that caddis larva. There's another one. Another little brookie. That one took that caddis. Another one, guys. Wow. It's like I said, they're all small, but man, I'll tell you what, they can be fun. I know there's a couple more over there because every now and then I'll see them come up. I don't know what they're taking. Probably some type of midge. If I had to guess, this one took the caddis. What a good... Oh, God. Yeah, I love when that happens. Another little brook. Get them back in the water. I don't want to hold them too long. Well, I'm going to try and let the camera run again here. I have a feeling there might be one little nicer one in here. I usually can find a somewhat decent one in here, but I never could ever land them every time it happens because of how this bridge is so small. The bridge is so close to the ground. Oh, see, that was a nice one. Nicer. Wasn't one of the real big ones. Another small one we picked up from over there. This is a really small one. Oh man, this is a tiny one. This one took the Prince. Ooh, that's a small one, guys. Pretty one. I don't know, guys. I'm starting to think this is like a never-ending spot. Nice. You can see that right there on his lip. Nice little hook set. It's a pretty brook. It's got some nice color in them. It's nice to see that these little ones are in here. I really enjoy seeing that. All right, guys. I was just getting ready to head out of this spot and go take us to another spot. It was just kind of screwing around and hooked into another one. I have to kind of come out from underneath the bridge here because I can't really put my rod tip up under here. Oh, okay, that's cool. I got to touch him with my finger, so he does count. But yeah, we're gonna hang it up under here and go fish another spot. All right, guys, we came up here to this other spot. Starting to die off, so I've been having a couple small trout chase this that caddis larva here. This water's a little too calm for this, so I'm just trying to more or less throw it out there and let it slowly drift with a couple small strips here and there, and they seem to really chase it at it. We got some pocket water coming up, though. We're going to definitely try and hit some of that. That's for sure. All right, guys, we didn't catch any at that very last spot. Turned out to be bad. So we're heading back to the car. We're in that little fast stretch run that leads us right down around the corner here to the car. But I'm gonna fish this down through a little bit and see, because we're up a little higher and didn't fish any of these pockets. So Let's see if we can't yank one or two out before we get out of here. It's a little hard fishing this right now, but it'll get a little better as we get down through. All right, guys, we got to find another pocket where they're laying. So we did. Catch a couple more before we get back to the vehicle. There it is on that caddis. See it there? Beautiful. Ugh. I'm going to try to let the camera on because I think there's a couple more in here. Ooh, oh, there is a freaking nice trout laying in here, guys. He just hit, but I don't know if he's going to hit again. Oh my God, I was sleeping on that one. He's laying right out there right in between those two rocks. That was beautiful. That was a nice sized trout. Hey guys, that's it, man. We're back to the car. Thank you for coming along with me. And I would like to take another moment here and thank all my subscribers. I mean, I know I don't have like billions of them, but thanks for the ones who are there and support me. I know one cast, one fish. Hell of a good guy. If you guys didn't ever watch his channel, check it out, man. Pretty nice guy. There's lots of them that I have are my subscribers. Pretty nice people. But anyways, we caught a couple trout. We got out on this rainy morning and didn't let it beat us down. So we're heading back to the car, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like what you've seen, please guys give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would. So see you guys on the water next trip.